My name is Mark O'Sullivan. I'm the Business Development Director and co-founder of Iqutech. So Iqutech was formed in around 2003. Myself and John Kennedy are the two owners. We provide services initially into the PC industry. When we first started, it was to allow Asian companies come into Europe and to expand into EMEA, essentially to service Dell, HP, Lenovo, Acer, all the PC industry in Europe. In more recent times, the circular economy and I suppose the people talking about sustainability and what they want to achieve in their businesses in around sustainable manufacturing and extending product life cycle. So we've been working very hard with companies, and while we've been doing it for a very, very long time, now it's been sort of given a new status in the modern era. So sustainability, repair, refurbishment, but also piece part harvesting, the recovery of valuable critical raw materials and putting them back into the supply chain has become very important for us. We enable large-scale take-back schemes. Now, what a take-back scheme typically is for either a warranty or an out-of-warranty service. For us, we provide logistics, we provide testing, inspection, and all of even the software to manage those processes. So today we would service maybe in around 5, maybe 6 substantial take-back schemes, both here in Ireland and across Europe. The idea of the services that we're offering is to extend the product life cycle of a product. So, the main methods in what we do that is that we're trying to retain as much value as we can in the product. Now, we do this by inspection, test, repair, refurbishment, all for reuse. And in some cases, we're trying to take materials out of the product with a view to put those materials into either a new process or back into the supply chain of the customer. Iqutech has always been in reverse logistics, and then after reverse logistics it became aftermarket services, and then more recently it became a circular economy enabler, and now sustainability is a major sort of part of every company's requirements. But when we started out, it was really to provide a service, and I suppose what's highlighting for us more recently is that we can provide this kind of service at scale, but also make money while doing it. And I think that's an important thing to talk about when we're talking about sustainability, that companies tend to feel that service and support is a cost when really it's a revenue stream in the modern era. So for me, we're trying to broadcast and tell people, look, service can be a revenue stream. Service is something that's necessary, and it allows us to be sustainable. For us, we feel that circularity in medtech, circularity in mobility, and circularity in healthcare are all huge areas of expansion, or potential expansion for Iqutech. So we're working with Munster Technology University in Tralee and Lero here in Limerick, in the University of Limerick, on a Science Foundation Ireland project on battery recovery. We're also working with Circulera, which we're a founding member of, and Irish Manufacturing Research, with Danfoss in a material recovery project, and they're working in the container and transport industry. And finally then we're working with IMR as well and Circulera in a medtech and healthcare take-back scheme in around walking aids. Now, these are all very early and they're all research projects, but we're very confident that there's a future in one, if not all of these. From a technology point of view, we provide software, we provide hardware, we provide people, so all of these things come together. Whenever technology comes together, then it really helps us to expand that business for us and for our customers, really.